10 million car owners are driving around with their check engine light glowing on their dashboard, and half of them have no clue what it actually means. That amber warning isn't just a suggestion. It's your car's desperate attempt to prevent a catastrophic failure that could cost you thousands. Your check engine light is essentially your vehicle's cry for help. When that yellow engine symbol lights up, your car's onboard computer, the engine control unit, has spotted something wrong with the emissions, fuel, ignition, or air intake systems. But here's what most people don't understand. There are actually two completely different types of warnings, and confusing them could destroy your engine. A steady light means you have time. Your car is saying, hey, something's not quite right, but we can talk about this later. You can keep driving, but you shouldn't ignore it for long. A flashing light, however, is automotive panic mode. It means your engine is misfiring so severely that unburned fuel is flooding into your exhaust system, superheating your catalytic converter to the point of destruction. Drive even a few miles with a flashing check engine light, and you're looking at repair bills that can exceed $3,000. The technology behind this warning system has a fascinating history. Back in the 1960s, California was choking on smog so thick that people couldn't see the mountains. The state mandated emission controls, and by 1988, the Society of Automotive Engineers realized every manufacturer was creating their own diagnostic systems. It was chaos. Mechanics needed different tools for every brand. So, in 1996, they implemented OBD2, a universal standard that finally gave every car the same diagnostic language. Today, that system monitors hundreds of components through a network of sensors, constantly checking everything from oxygen levels in your exhaust to the pressure in your fuel system. When something goes wrong, it generates a diagnostic trouble code, a 5-character combination that tells a mechanic exactly what's malfunctioning. There are over 11,000 possible codes in the current system. In 2024, the average check engine light repair cost $415. That's actually down 3% from the previous year's all-time high, but don't let that fool you into thinking these repairs are cheap. The range is enormous, from a $20 gas cap to a catalytic converter replacement that can cost over $2,000. And yes, a loose gas cap really is the most historically common cause of check engine lights, though it's finally dropped out of the top 5 for the first time since tracking began in 2011. But the current number 1 culprit will shock you: catalytic converter failure. This isn't just expensive, it's often completely preventable. Catalytic converters rarely fail on newer vehicles unless there's an underlying problem like a faulty oxygen sensor or bad spark plugs that gets ignored. CarMD analyzed over 31 million vehicle failures and found that 20% of drivers, 1 in 5, are currently driving around with their check engine light on. That's nearly double the number from their previous survey. These aren't just statistics. These are people turning small problems into financial disasters. Consider what happens when you ignore that warning. Your oxygen sensor starts reading incorrectly, so your engine runs too rich or too lean. This damages your catalytic converter, which then sends metal particles downstream into other components. What started as a $200 sensor replacement becomes a cascade of failures costing thousands. Studies show that over 50% of check engine light issues are relatively minor problems that, when caught early, prevent exactly this kind of catastrophic damage. The emissions connection makes everything worse. Federal law restricts the check engine light to emissions-related problems, so if it's on, you automatically fail your emissions test in most states. No exceptions. They won't even test your car. Without passing emissions, you can't renew your registration. Without valid registration, you're driving illegally, facing citations, fines, and potential vehicle impoundment. One ignored warning light cascades into a legal nightmare. This is particularly painful because the diagnostic technology has become incredibly accessible. You can buy a decent OBD2 scanner for $50 to $100 and read those trouble codes yourself. But here's where many people make a crucial mistake. They see a code, replace the part it identifies, and assume they've fixed the problem. Professional mechanics call this parts cannon repair, and it often fails because diagnostic codes tell you what's wrong, not necessarily why it's wrong. The automotive landscape is changing rapidly, and these warning systems are evolving with it. Electric vehicles have their own equivalent warning lights, often a car outline with an exclamation point or a battery with an exclamation mark. These signal faults in the high-voltage drivetrain, and just like traditional check engine lights, they use a color-coded system. Green means everything's working, yellow means something needs attention but isn't critical, and red means stop driving immediately. the stakes in electric vehicles are actually higher. High-voltage battery faults or inverter failures can cost 4 or 5 figures to repair. On a used electric vehicle, these costs can completely erase any savings from the purchase price. The technology is more complex, the parts are more expensive, and the diagnostic process requires specialized training. Regional differences add another layer of complexity to this story. The West has the highest average repair costs at over $400, while the Midwest comes in lowest at around $375. This isn't just about labor rates, it's about parts availability, emissions, standards, and even weather patterns that affect how quickly problems develop. The human behavior aspect reveals something troubling about our relationship with technology. We've become so accustomed to ignoring warning lights that many people treat the check engine light like a suggestion rather than a command. They'll panic over a flat tire but drive for months with a warning that could indicate impending engine failure. It's a psychological disconnect that costs billions in unnecessary repairs every year. The theft epidemic around catalytic converters adds another dimension to this story. Thieves can steal one in under 2 minutes, and hybrid vehicles are particularly targeted because their catalytic converters contain higher concentrations of precious metals. The Toyota Prius has become almost synonymous with catalytic converter theft, with replacement costs often exceeding $2,500. Looking ahead, the industry is developing OBD3 technology that would automatically alert authorities when emissions-related problems are detected. This system would minimize the time between detection and repair, potentially making it impossible to ignore these warnings. It's controversial. Imagine your car tattling on you to the government, but it reflects the seriousness of emissions compliance. The advice from automotive professionals is unanimous. Never ignore your check engine light. If it's steady, schedule service within a few days. If it's flashing, stop driving immediately and call for a tow. The cost of diagnostic testing, usually between $100 and $250, is always cheaper than the cost of engine replacement. Your car is trying to protect itself and you. That check engine light represents decades of engineering designed to catch problems before they become catastrophic. It's monitoring systems that previous generations of drivers could only dream of, providing warnings that can save you thousands of dollars and prevent breakdowns that could leave you stranded. The next time that amber light appears on your dashboard, remember, it's not just a warning about your car's health, it's a test of your willingness to listen to technology designed to help you. In a world where we trust our phones to guide us home and our computers to manage our money, trusting our cars to tell us when something's wrong isn't just smart, it's essential. Because ultimately, that little light isn't just protecting your engine, it's protecting your wallet, your safety, and your ability to keep moving forward. And in today's world, that's worth paying attention to.